The Tale of the Golden Axe and the Silver Axe. In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, there lived a diligent woodcutter named Jack. Known for his strong work ethic and kind heart, Jack spent his days in the enchanting woods, chopping firewood to sell at the market. Despite the simplicity of his life, Jack was content and always greeted his fellow villagers with a warm smile. One fateful day, as Jack was engrossed in his woodcutting duties, his trusty old axe slipped from his hands and tumbled into a mysterious, shimmering pond hidden deep within the heart of the forest. To Jack's astonishment, a magical creature, resembling a water nymph, emerged from the depths of the pond. "Did you drop your axe into the pond?" asked the creature in a gentle, melodic voice. Startled, Jack stammered, "Yes, I did. It was my only means of earning a living, and now it's lost." The magical creature, sensing Jack's sincerity and hard-working nature, dived into the pond and re-emerged holding a dazzling, golden axe. "Is this your axe?" it inquired. Wide-eyed with amazement, Jack replied, "No, that's not mine." Unperturbed, the creature then presented a radiant silver axe and asked, "Is this your axe?" Once again, Jack shook his head and said, "No, that's not mine either." Impressed by Jack's honesty, the magical creature smiled benevolently. "Because of your truthfulness and dedication, I shall reward you with both the golden axe and the silver axe. May they serve you well in your future endeavors." Overjoyed and grateful, Jack thanked the creature and made his way back to the village, golden and silver axes in hand. News of Jack's good fortune spread like wildfire, reaching the ears of his fellow woodcutters. Driven by envy, they journeyed to the magical pond one by one, purposefully dropping their worn-out axes into the water, hoping for a similar reward. However, when the creature appeared, they lied about the color of their axes, claiming them to be golden or silver. Seeing through their deceit, the magical creature refused to grant them any reward. Disheartened and ashamed, the dishonest woodcutters left the pond empty-handed, their old axes still in tow. Meanwhile, Jack continued to use his golden and silver axes wisely, not only for his own benefit but also for the welfare of the entire village. His honesty and hard work became an inspiration, reminding everyone that in the end, it is integrity that leads to true prosperity and happiness. And so, the tale of the golden axe and the silver axe became a cherished story in the village, passed down through generations as a reminder that honesty is, indeed, the best policy.